Hello, this is those are all habiterra blocks, interlocking blocks. This is the outside corner block. This is the end block. This block, when you build house, when you meet the windows and the door, you need to use these blocks to leave the space for the window and door. This is the wall block, and this is also wall block. The height is 200, and this height it is 100. Two different height for interlocking. This is corner block, also corner block. But this block it is inner corner block. Okay, now let me show you how to use those blocks to build a house. Use this block, you can build the house very fast. And workers, even if don't know how to build a house, they can also use those blocks to build a house.
你用的时候先对着镜头来一张。
好，等一下啊。
因为你光往上落也看不清用的是哪一种，不一定。好，你用啊。
This is the inner corner block. 这个怎么使的？忘了。这刻怎么看？还一块儿。这个希望是这样吧，希望就这样。 还差一个栓。10万。可以了啊。This is end block. This is wall block. Wall block. You can see here this part. I leave this space for you to install the door. This is the room. This is the door. This part you install the door. You can see here. Door install here. Window same method. Just put in the block. It will be okay.再给他来个回头针。This one also a room door. 但是差不多了啊。这是15分。来靠近点来，好了。
看着了。
在哪块上？ From video you can see all blocks interlocking, and here this one lower, this block here. If you put a block like this, then the house also interlocking, up and down, and in the level are all interlocking. So those blocks you can build a house very fast, and because it is interlocking, so no need cement when you put the blocks together, and it can anti-earthquake and typhoon. Another thing you should notice, when you before you build a house, you should do the foundation for the house. When you do the concrete foundation for the house, you need to put a steel bar in the foundation, and then blocks go through the steel bar. When the steel bar not enough, just use welding machine, welding steel bar like this, one by one.